Good morning, class 6 students. How are you all? I hope so you all are fit and all students are ready for the class. So students, take out your math books and notebooks and open page number 34 of your book. As you know that students, this is your math session and I am your math teacher. So let's begin our session with a very beautiful thought of the day. After that, I will give you a tip for relaxing your mind. So number one. So now, what is the thought of the day? Worrying never change the result. I repeat, worrying never change the result. चिंता कभी भी आपका रिजल्ट चेंज नहीं कर सकती. किसी चीज़ के बारे में अगर आप ज़्यादा सोच रहे हो तो आपके रिजल्ट पर उससे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा. जो आना है वही आएगा. सो विद दिस थॉट लेट्स हैव अ टिप. अगर आपको कभी भी अनरिलैक्स्ड फील हो रहा है और आप सोच रहे हो आपने बहुत ज़्यादा स्टडीज़ कर ली है और आगे स्टडी करते हुए आपके दिमाग में, आपके ब्रेन में चीज़ें नहीं जा पा रही हैं, सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, जस्ट क्लोज योर आइज एंड टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ like this and exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale and repeat this process 3 times. Then you will feel a very energetic through your mind. आपका mind बिल्कुल fresh feel करेगा और आप नई चीज़ों को अपने brain में setup कर पाओगे easily. So let's begin our session. Open page number 34. Multiplicative properties of multiplication of a whole number we are going to do in the today's session. Until now we have covered the properties of addition and properties of subtraction. Is that clear? Okay, so begin our session. Student, as you are aware that we are doing the properties of whole numbers. आपको पता है कि हम whole numbers की properties कर रहे हैं. And what are your whole numbers? The numbers which starts from your 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are your whole numbers. So till now we have covered property of addition in this and property of subtraction. Is that clear? So now what we have to do in the today's class, we are going to cover properties of multiplication of a whole number. So in today's class we are going to do properties of multiplication. So as you know that we have done closure property, commutative property, associative property, identity property. In these two, same we are going to do in the properties of multiplication. Is that clear? So students, properties of multiplication. In this, first thing we have to study is closure property. Now till now, whether it is property of addition, whether it is property of subtraction or whether it is property of multiplication, only sign are getting changed but rest the line is saying the same thing. Closure property, if you have two whole numbers and you are multiplying two whole numbers, you will get a result, yes or no? So whenever you are multiplying two whole numbers, you will get a whole number only. जब आप दो whole numbers की multiplication करोगे तो आपको result में whole number ही मिलेगा. This is according to closure property. तो I have taken A as 10 into I have taken B as 3. You can take any of the digits but it should be a whole number. आप यहाँ पर कोई भी डिजिट ले सकते हो बट ये होल नंबर ही होना चाहिए. ओके, सो 10 into 3 will give you 30. So when you multiply two whole numbers, the result which you will get, this is your result, this is also a whole number. This you have to keep in mind. So when you are multiplying two whole numbers, you will get a whole number as a result. Is that clear? Students, your next B part of properties of multiplication is commutative property. What is a commutative property? You are going to means I am going to tell you. So students, according to the commutative property, if you are taking A and B equals to, you are reversing, you are changing their order. I am taking B in the first and A the second, and what sign we have to keep in between these two numbers? Multiplication. So we have taken multiplication sign. So according to the commutative property, if you are taking A and B and you are multiplying both the numbers, similarly on the second side you are taking B first and A second number, then the result will not get changed. तो हमारे रिजल्ट पर कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होगा. So I have chosen to take A as 2 into B I am taking as 5. You can take any of the numbers. I am repeating once again. So 5, B I have taken 5, so I will write 5 over here, into A I have taken 2. So 2 5s is 10 equals to 5 2s is 10. Is that clear? Now students, you can take another example also. अगर आप इसके अलावा कोई एग्जाम्पल लेना चाहें तो you can take that also. So I am taking 100 as A, because many students are having the doubt ना कि मैम अगर हम बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा नंबर ले लें, so we can take 100 also, and I am taking B as 60. Over here B I have taken as 60, so I will write 60 over here, into A I have taken 100, so I will write 100 over here. So 100 into 60 will give you 6000. Similarly 6000 will come over here. So when you are multiplying two numbers, the result will not get affected. आप कोई भी नंबर लेंगे तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने पर, नंबर को चेंज करने पर, ऑर्डर चेंज करने पर भी हमारे रिजल्ट में कोई इफेक्ट नहीं. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, next one is associative property. In associative property, what we used to take? We used to take the three numbers. So now what we have to do? We have to multiply these three numbers. Associate means group. We have to group. So I am grouping A and B, and now I am grouping B and C. Is that clear? So what I am going to do? I am going to take I am taking A as 2 into B as 3 into C as 4. Similarly, I am taking A as 2 into 3 into 4. और now we have done the grouping of A and B, तो यहाँ पर you have to keep the bracket in front of A and B. Similarly, we have done the grouping of B and C, so you will put the bracket over here. So solve the bracket first. 2 3s is what? 6 into 4. 2 you will write as it is. Solve your bracket this side. 3 4s are 12. 6 4s are 24. Similarly, 12 2s is 24. So this associative property hold good for our multiplication. Similarly, our closure property and commutative property are holding good properties for the multiplication process. Are you getting my point? So let's do another example so that your query doesn't remain. हम दूसरा example try करते हैं ताकि आपकी कोई भी query ना रहे. So now students, if I am taking this, I am taking A as 4, B as 8 and C as 5. Okay, कोई भी number you, I take any of the numbers. So now what I am going to do? I am going to take 4 over here into B, 8 over here, bracket close, into C your 5 equals to A is what? 4 into B, bracket लगा दीजिए. B क्या है? 8 है, into C क्या है? 5 है. तो सबसे पहले ब्रैकेट 8 4 is 32, 32 into 5. Similarly 4 यहाँ पर as it is आएगा into 8 5 is 40. So now what can be the answer? 160. So both the side you are getting the same result. That means multiplication property is holding good for. See that at the last you are getting 160 at the left hand side and 160 on the right hand side. So this is the property of associative property in multiplication, which is holding good for our multiplication process. So now students, multiplicative identity. I repeat, multiplicative identity. So multiplicative identity, what it says that whenever you are taking any of the whole number, अगर आप कोई होल नंबर ले रहे हो, इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग एनी ऑफ द होल नंबर एंड यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग योर होल नंबर विद द वन, और आप अपने होल नंबर को वन से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो, द रिजल्ट यू विल गेट इज ऑल्सो अ होल नंबर. जो रिजल्ट आपको मिलेगा वो भी एक होल नंबर ही होगा. सो टेक द एग्जाम्पल. If I am taking 100 as a whole number and multiplying it with the 1, I will get the number itself. This is the property is saying to us, whenever you are taking a whole number, you are multiplying the whole number with the 1, you will get the number itself. आपको नंबर खुद मिलेगा. One thing I want to tell is that कि जो आइडेंटिटी है अभी तक आपने ज़ीरो से रिलेटेड की है, बट मल्टीप्लिकेशन में यहाँ 1 की भी बात आती है और ज़ीरो की भी आएगी, पर उसमें प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ज़ीरो, मल्टीप्लिकेटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ज़ीरो के नाम से वो मेंशन है, और यहाँ पर एक आइडेंटिटी में 1 आप मेंशन करोगे. सो ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. बाकी डिवीजन हो, सब्ट्रैक्शन हो, आपका एडिशन हो, ये प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है कहीं भी, ये सिर्फ मल्टीप्लिकेशन में ही आएगी. ये एडिशनल है. बाकी सारी प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑलमोस्ट सब में सेम है, बस आपके साइन का डिफरेंस होगा. अगर एडिशन आता है तो प्लस साइन आ जाएगा, सब्ट्रैक्शन है तो माइनस साइन आ जाएगा. तो ये चीज़ आपको ध्यान रखनी है. दिस थिंग यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. अनदर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन टेक. आई हैव टेकन वन एग्जाम्पल. 5, when you are multiplying 5 with the 1, you will get 5 as it is. Are you getting my point? Whatever number you are multiplying with the 1, you will get number as it is. आप किसी भी नंबर को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आपको नंबर ही एज इट इज़ मिलेगा, 1 नहीं मिलेगा. दैट इज मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन. इज दैट क्लियर? So now last property is that multiplicative property of 0. So what is the property saying to you? Whenever you are taking any number, आप कोई भी होल नंबर लोगे और उसकी मल्टीप्लाई आप 0 से करोगे. ये तो मैं आपको पहले ही बता चुकी हूँ. तो उसका रिजल्ट क्या आएगा? 0. अगर हम किसी भी डिजिट की 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं ना तो रिजल्ट 0 आता है. बट यहीं अगर हम ऐड करते तो नंबर आता खुद 0 नहीं आता. सब्ट्रैक्ट करते तो भी नंबर आता, 0 नहीं आता. बट यहाँ पर केस रिवर्स हो जाता है कि अगर आप किसी नंबर की 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे ना तो रिजल्ट आपको 0 मिलता है, आपको नंबर बैक नहीं मिलेगा बच्चे. ये सिर्फ एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन के केस में ही होगा जब आपको नंबर खुद मिल जाएगा. बट इन द केस ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन यू विल गेट 0 एज इट इज. सिमिलरली इफ आई टेक 3, then 3 into 0 will give me 0 itself. So I have given you 2 examples. I hope so you are getting my point, that whenever you are multiplying any number with the 0, you will get 0 as a result, not the number. Is that clear? Now students, properties of multiplication. What you have to mark in this, first write the properties of multiplication. After that write closure property. If से लेकर नंबर तक you have to write in the notebook. If a and b are two whole numbers, then a into b equals to c will also be a whole number. This you have to write in the notebook. After that write one example. You can write example by yourself also, and the example which I have given to you, that also. So now students, b part in the notebook, what you are going to write? Commutative property. In this you are going to write, if a and b are two whole numbers, then the product of two whole numbers remain unchanged if the order of the numbers is interchanged. Then write this, a into b equals to b into a. Example, one example you will write from here, and you can write example from the blackboard also which I have given. ये सब आपको ड्रॉ नहीं करना है, ठीक है. देन आपका सी पार्ट है एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी. इसमें आपको यहाँ तक लिखना है टिल ऑर्डर तक. If a, b and c are whole numbers, then the product of three whole numbers remain unchanged even if they are grouped in any order. This you have to write, ठीक है. And you have to write this expression. ये आप लिखोगे a into b into c equals to a into bracket b into c bracket close, ठीक है. ये सब आपको लिखना है. After that example you are going to write at least one example of every property you are going to write. हर property का एक example आप लिखोगे. देन उसके बाद आता है डी, मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, इफ़ एनी होल नंबर इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1, द प्रोडक्ट विल रिमेन द नंबर इटसेल्फ. देन राइट दिस एक्सप्रेशन. आफ्टर दैट एनी ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल, 2 एग्जाम्पल्स हैं आपके पास, यू कैन राइट एनी वन एग्जाम्पल. ई पार्ट Multiplicative property of 0. Any whole number multiplied by 0 gives the product as 0. You have to write in the notebook till here. After that, you will write this expression and you will write any of the examples, or you can write the examples from the book. So I hope so students, session is clear to you, and now what you are going to do, you are going to revise the things again and again and write the work in the notebook in a very neat manner. Thank you and have a nice day.